I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters. Camping and outdoors is so fun, but we need to eat while we're out there, and we thought of a fun little trail mix that you'd be able to enjoy while you're hiking, and you don't even have to stop. You're getting protein, you're getting fruit and vegetables. Well, we're going to do this one with fruit, but we'll be doing another one with a savory one with vegetables. So stay tuned for that one. So let's get started.
We're gonna just dump whatever you like. We're gonna throw in some strawberries and a little bit of each. We'll make a lot.
Hazelnuts.
Oh, I like hazelnuts.
Do you?
As it sticks to me. Mangoes.
Those are the organic mangoes, so a little bit bigger.
Big chunks.
And those ones are almonds.
Some cranberries.
Use sunflower seeds.
This can isn't open. This is what it looks like. Our cans, a sealed container. So you just snap the lid and pop it open. Super easy.
And pumpkin seeds.
Oh, here's another one of pizzas.
That looks good already. Look at the color on that. These ones you can even break into smaller pieces if you want. And we're gonna put mangoes.
Please don't taste
oh no,
right
those
now.
are pineapple.
Pineapple.
Okay. Okay, good. Now,
Let's throw in some. I
okay.
like the passion fruit. That's nice and yellow.
Okay.
Pomegranate's really good too.
I really like the pomegranate, so
We'll sprinkle a little.
look at the color of
These
that.
just taste.
I know, they're
having
great.
Oh.
Okay, and then this one is this is pomegranate. Oh my gosh, look at the bottom.
That's a husband thing.
It is a bad thing. And we've got all this stuck to the bottom. I can't even pour it out.
That's not normal, but that is normal for a husband to leave it a little bit at the bottom of the can.
He does this with milk
I actually
too.
like it like this. It's so chewy. That's just the bottom of the can. It's like gum. It's so chewy.
Oh, we got a piece of yogurt gum.
That's amazing.
Anyway, so this is great. Let's put it in a Ziploc bag.
We will not put that yogurt in.
Let's break this one.
Okay.
In small chunks.
You want to hold on? Oh.
Well, I don't know. Can you
Don't
do
want
it?
to rips in. Just like that.
And there's our mix.
Super easy and delicious.
That's
Nut and fruit mix.
And you don't worry about it going bad on the trail.
And watch for another one. We're going to make a savory one up next.
So if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to do that and hit the notification bell so you're notified when we post another video.
And remember, you can do this too.